everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do estaburar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Wow! I got so many Discord orbs. If you want to know how I got it, watch the video till the end. And before we start, only 4.2% of you have subscribed to my channel. It's not quite fair because I'm the only YouTuber that informs you regularly when there's an offer happening with great level of detail, so you can decide on what to do and how to claim. So to have a better chance of getting free Nitro, make sure to subscribe now, join my server, and show your support. Okay, so after Uber and Discord collab, we have another new collab, but from supposedly a game. It's called World of Tanks 2.0. So it's a multiplayer online game where players have to use tanks to fight against each other. This game was first launched in 2010. I guess most of viewers weren't even born by then, or maybe were just 2 or 3-year-olds. If you are interested, you can check more details on its website. To claim your 700 free orbs, you need to simply watch its trailer video. I found the video quite interesting. The graphics are insanely good, which only speaks one thing, that if you have a potato PC, it's not gonna work. But maybe given its high-end graphics, it's most likely a console-type game too. Anyway, this promo is only for Discord PC. I checked it on the phone and it wasn't there. I am not sure why Discord gives these offer only to the PC Discord. If you know why, let me know in the comment section. Now with 9,790 orbs, I can pretty much buy anything. If you don't know what orbs are, it's a Discord currency that you can get from watching trailer videos here or by playing games. After getting the orbs, you can save up to buy anything you want in their Explore Orbs exclusives, where they add outdated avatar and profile decors. So yeah, that's there to this offer. In case you didn't get this offer, you could be a mobile user or from one of the countries where Discord is banned, or maybe you're just unlucky to not receive it. Anyway, if you want free decors and layouts for your server, you can join my Discord server now. We got everything. And if you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch my other videos too.